Hello and welcome to another video. Now today I'm going to be looking at this. This is the Ryzen 3 2200G and I'm going to be pairing this with the Gigabyte AB350N gaming Wi-Fi mini ITX board. Now eventually I'm going to be putting this into a small form factor system, but I want to see how it's going to run without a graphics card, because that's mainly the point of this processor. Now I'm going to be pairing this up with 8GB of Ballistic Sport DDR4 memory. So let's have a look at that, let's get it all put together and let's see how it performs before I actually build the system. The course of true love never ever runs smooth, and the same can be said for PC building. Now I've run into a major hurdle when putting this system together. The Ryzen 3 2200G, as you can see here, inside the box, processor's not in there because it's actually in the system, is this little orange piece of paper. And it says, the AMD Ryzen Desktop 2000 series processor contained in this package is compatible with socket AM4 motherboards when a compatible BIOS update has been installed. Please contact the manufacturer of your AMD socket AM4 motherboard for guidance on how to update to the latest BIOS. Motherboards sold with the label shown below are compatible without update. So this obviously isn't the video that I was hoping to bring to you today, but I just hope it goes to illustrate that PC building, as fun as it can be very, very frustrating as well. So without further ado, let's have a look at what happened. So as you can see, nothing on the screen. The system's running. HDMI cable's plugged in okay. Power's running. We'll try a second boot up. Not even getting to post at the moment, so now it is getting something, because when I switch the power supply on, that happens. Let's try the screwdriver method again. And we have absolutely nothing happening. I'm going to try my other monitor, which is on DisplayPort, see if that makes a difference, but I do doubt it very much. Right, so now I've got DisplayPort and HDMI plugged in. You can see there, I've got both monitors. So we'll see if we get any difference from that. Click the power supply on. That monitor gets some kind of signal to it. Just grab my screwdriver, and it's the red ones to bridge. Obviously not using any kind of boot drive because we should get something going to post at this point, and absolutely nothing. So it's getting pretty late now. I'm going to give up for the night. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this serves some kind of purpose. You know, be very careful when ordering these new chips, because the older stock of the motherboards will not support them. It won't even post, as you can see. So hopefully I can get hold of a compatible chip to be able to update the BIOS myself. So there you go. Sometimes these things just don't work out the way you want them to. I'll be back very, very soon with an update on this when I've managed to get it working. So don't forget to give this video a like if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you later.